Using this water to wash will make your pom pom very fresh, very tight, and very sweet. Keep on watching.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you a home remedy that you must try now to tighten up your pom pom. This works magical. It will tighten up your pom pom. It will make it fresh and healthy all the time. Have you ever wondered how our grandmothers remained hot and very productive in their marriages? Some had 12 children, 13, 15, 20 children. Yes, this is an ancient remedy they have used in the past that is nearly forgotten, and this remedy kept them tight, it kept them sweet, and it even made their husbands want to go more and more with them even after so many children. Now, this is that ancient remedy that was used in the time past. We won't just be working with this ancient stone known as alum or stone of potash. We will also be working with this boards that is very popular now on YouTube, and this is clove boards. So these are dried clove boards. I'm sure a lot of you know it. I use it in a lot of my aphrodisiac and vaginal tightening recipes. So this is a very popular herb on this channel. Okay, so this is dried clove boards, and dried clove boards have been used over the years to tighten up the pom pom, to make the pom pom fresh, and to boost libido both in women and in men. So this is what we'll be using for this home remedy for tightening the pom pom. Now, this remedy is very, very good for women who have just put to birth. Okay, this is for women who are looking to tighten up their pom pom even after childbirth. Straight into the video. This is a potash alum, also known as potassium alum. Some comes in a powdered form and some are in this stony form. That's why I called it the stone of potash. Okay, so it is this white stone you see there and has been used over the years to tighten up the pom pom. And I just use half a tablespoon of the clove buds. I'm not using a lot. This I'm making is for just one time wash. All right, so if you want to make for a very long time, know that this potash is very strong. So I would advise make it one time and use it and make another one. So for this one time use, I am taking 1 cup of water. Okay, you can see as soon as I began to pour the water into the bowl, the water becomes cloudy. That is the potash or the stone of potash releasing its essence into the water. And mind you, this is hot water because I want to extract the goodness out of the clove. Even if you use cold water on the potash, it is still going to bring out its essence. It's still going to release its essence. But because I want to also extract the clove in a very short while, that is why I'm using 1 cup of hot water. So you see the water has become very, very cloudy. I don't want it to be too strong, else you'll be too tight. I just want it to be moderately cloudy because it is something that you'll be using on a daily if you have just put to birth to tighten up your pom pom. This is the consistency I want, so I'm going to take out the stone of potash now. I don't want it to be too concentrated, else this formulation or this wash will be too cloudy. Now I'm going to proceed to cover this up so that the clove buds can begin to release its nutrients into this water. Mind you, this is for one time wash. Okay, so if you intend to use this remedy for 7 days, you have to make fresh one every day and take out the stone of potash when you have achieved a moderately cloudy consistency. Now this is what you do. You don't drink this, you don't put it into your pom-pom, you wash around the lips of your pom-pom. So guys, I'm just going to cover this up and let it release its nutrients into the water. I'm going to let it sit for 3 hours, but you can let it sit for 1 hour or 2 hours as the case may be. Then once that is ready, just take out the clove buds and give the water a good stir. The reason why you're going to give it a good stir is because as the stone of potash is a quick dissolving stone, it is also a quick solidifying stone. So you may find some particles resting beneath the bowl. So that's why you have to give it a good stir to wake them up again and redissolve them in the water. And there you have the ancient remedy that my grandmother and probably your grandmother, great-grandmother used to ensure tightening even while bringing forth children. Make sure that you are not pushing this into the vagina. You're just washing around the lips, and do not rinse off with any water. Just pat dry with a paper towel or a washcloth. Okay, make this remedy fresh every day for 7 days and let me know your experience while using this. All right, if you feel any discomfort on the first day of using it, please do not repeat the procedure again. And for those who will be asking in the comment section, is it only for women who have just given birth? You are free to try it even as someone who is just looking to tighten up her pom-pom naturally. Also feel free to check out the channel. I've shared a lot of videos regarding pom-pom tightening. Like I said before, this is an ancient remedy, but bear in mind that what works for Mr. A may not work for Mr. B, vice versa. But overall, have an open mind to try out remedies like this. You never know which one will work for you. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Now we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and check out other videos. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.